Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I am going to make a DIY hair clip using these materials that I have here now. So I have here this yarn. I'm going to make a heart shape for my hair clip, and these three metals down here, I bought this one from a craft store, and I'll be using also this glue, and this one is from a toy, and I'm going to use also this for my hair clip, and also I'll be using this flower here. I'm gonna block the flower from here and use it for my DIY hair clip. So guys, come join me and let's get started. So first thing first, I'm gonna flock this flower. So I want to use this kind of like light orange color, but there's no petals in here already, so I think I'll be using this red color here or the yellow ones, but I don't like yellow color. I will just choose this red color for, be careful on plucking the flower, otherwise it will, oh my god, it's ruined. But I will fix it later on when I'm, oh my god, it's ruined. The petal is ruined, but oh, I can fix it later on when I'm going to make already the DIY. See, it's ruined down here, but it's okay, I can fix it later on. And I'll be using this red one, so I'll keep this one first, and this, and preparing this yarn for like heart shape kind of pom-pom, not totally a heart shape but almost a heart shape. So I'll be rolling it a lot. I didn't count it, but I'll just estimate the roll amount of the yarn. The more roll, the more beautiful of the heart shape of yarn, like pom-poms or anything. So I think this one is already enough for the pom-poms, otherwise it will too much is not good too. So I already finished it, and I'm going to tie the center of the pom-pom of the yarn. I always say pom-poms. I love pom-poms so much. That's why I keep on mentioning the pom-poms. Sorry guys for it. I am so crazy about pom-poms. But yeah, I already tie it from the center, and must tie it firmly so that it will not burst later on when I cut it. To tie it some more, and that's it. Color cut in here. So now I'll be cutting this here. My scissor is like so funny because it's huge. It's used in like a crocodile something. I love this scissor anyway because it's so sharp that I can cut things easily. Unlike my blue color scissor, it's so annoying. So it's already done, and I'm going to cut it like a heart shape. So keep it this away, and I will be using this one for my garbage. I'll be shaping it a heart shape. Not actually a heart shape, but almost a heart shape. I do hope I can make a perfect heart shape on it. So, and the other side, so guys, after I shape this one into like heart shape, I will be, so it's already a heart shape. Now I'm going to use a comb and like striking it like this to spread the thread on the yarn, and it will become like feathery texture of the yarn. See? And later on it will be more nicer. When it's done, I will show you guys the, yeah, and I'm just doing it carefully, otherwise I will ruin the thing. And yeah, it's so hard to start again. So this is it. Okay, I will not make it too much of striking the, so this is like feathery heart shape of my yarn. See, this is enough already, and now no need to cut or anything from the side already. So I'll set aside this garbage and ready to make. So I'll be putting it here like I have a heart shape kind of DIY hair clip. So I will be, wait, so I'll be putting this, applying this glue on the metal of the, for the hair clip, so it will stick in here. Put it very carefully and stick this one here. Yeah, this one here, and I must press it and wait a little while to stick the thing together like this. This thing must do like patiently. Okay, so I'll stick on the thing because I don't have those glue stick, so I use this glue instead. Yeah, and it's already fixed, and I will wait for a while for it to be strong. And now I'll proceed to this thing here, and I will just stick this one here. I will check if it's okay already now. So this can be like, you know, popping something. Okay, I will just put it here, and also this thing here. Okay. And again, wait a while for it to stick on this. So I'll be waiting for a little while. Put it aside first, and then this flower, okay, for the last metal. First I have to stick put a glue in here, and stick it from here at the top. Okay, so it looks like stubborn or something, but wait a while for it to stick on. So this is it now. It's cutie hair clip, DIY hair clip, and I will show you guys this 3 that I made. This one. So guys, these are my 3 DIY hair clip made from me. Okay, so guys, I will try this on my hair and I will show you if it's nice, and up to you if you find it nice or not. But thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching my crafting. So guys, today I am going to try it for my hair, and now I will be putting it this way, like this can pop like this. I will try this on my hair. Yeah, and it's already here for my heart shape or something, or I can make it the other way so that the heart will be visible for the eyes of the people. Wait, and I can put it this way so it will be see, this way. And yeah, and I also wanna try this few here that I made, and I will try this one if it's nice for my hair. Yeah, this thing, and also the other one. I will try this if it's try it here. Here. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for your support, and please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and supporting my YouTube channel. God bless you and keep on supporting me. Thank you guys. Bye.